Hello, my name is Melina Blevins, and this is my final project. My favorite subject that we learned was anxiety and related disorders. This is my favorite subject because I really enjoyed learning about the different anxiety disorders someone can have, and I also liked learning more about OCD. I enjoyed it because it gave me a better look at myself because I do have some anxiety issues and I can be a little OCD about things. So learning more about the subject was intriguing to me because it gave me more insight on these types of disorders and what you can do to help them. What is anxiety? There are different types of anxiety disorders, and in the book that we have online that our professor provided us, it says that anxiety can be defined as a negative mood state that is accompanied by bodily symptoms, such as increased heart rate, muscle tension, a sense of unease, and apprehension about the future. The different types of disorders are generalized anxiety, panic disorder, and agoraphobia, specific phobia, social anxiety disorder, PTSD, and OCD. How it is important in everyday life. Anxiety is like an internal alarm system for humans. It can let somebody know if themselves or other people around them feel threatened or if there is danger. Someone having an anxiety attack can alarm other people that something bad might happen, or that they have this feeling that something's not going to go the way that other people might think. And sometimes it can be bad because sometimes someone having an anxiety attack or something, they can be wrong. Other concepts that we learned, one, cognitive development in childhood. I want to be a teacher, so this would help me better understand the way a child has developed and how their mind is working during that time of their age. I want to teach kindergartners, so Piaget's theory comes into play for this. At the age of 5 and 6, Piaget says that this is when the child's thinking is dominated by perception, but the child becomes more capable of symbolic functioning, conversation problem, and this is also when their language development occurs. All of these things as a teacher would help me better understand how the students have developed already, and it would also give me more knowledge on what students I would need to work more with during the day. Social and personality development in childhood. This shows teachers how students are being influenced and who may be influencing them. In an article I read by McLeod, he said that Vygotsky believes that the community plays a huge role in the process of making mind. And this is true. Community, family, and friends and other people have a huge role in children's lives. And when children are impacted, teachers can know a difference. And as a teacher, I would observe my students, and I would hopefully be able to notice the ones that are, especially the ones that have been progressing in class, to when they don't progress as much and they start falling short and start getting bad grades. Personality traits. This is also a subject that can be implemented in the classroom. Everyone is different and they have their own personality, and by observing, teachers get to know some of the traits their students have. Teachers should get to know each and every student and find out their likes and dislikes and what their personality traits are. This could help teachers decide what kind of work they want to do, either more group work, individual work, lecture, stations, or partner work. As a teacher, getting to know my students' personality traits would be helpful because I would be getting to know them on a personal level and see how they work within the classroom. I would encourage them to think outside of the box and possibly speak up in class if they have a question or just want to answer a question. Lastly, why are they beneficial? These subjects or concepts are beneficial for teachers and in the classroom because they show teachers how and why students learn the way they do, and it shows them the students' development and how their mind develops through their life. As for personality traits, this shows teachers how different each student can be, and it gives teachers insights on those students' lives and why they might have developed those traits. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a great break.